Hola, buenos dias. Hi, good morning. What are the messages today? Let's pick a card today. Oh, we got two today. Start reclaiming who you truly are. Follow your heart's desires and manifest the heck out of your life. And what are today's messages in these envelopes? Loving you is a wonderful way to spend a lifetime. Sometimes we're full of feelings and lack the words. Live in the sunshine, swim in the sea, and drink the wild air. You are the best thing I never planned. You were using your ear to hear, and I was using my heart. My mind wanders and I get lost in thoughts of you. Don't let regrets to consume the chances that you deserve. There are no accidental meetings between souls. And the last one today. May we all live happily and proudly with our scars. Ooh, that one's perfect. All right, thanks for stopping by.